everybody, it's Neil, and check out this. I got some new running shorts today. These are Northyard men's running tennis, whatever shorts. Let's give these things a try. Let's see, I got size medium and I got dark gray. So let's see how these fit. I am about, I think it's 5'10", but I'm about 170, probably 174 pounds at the moment. But this is what they look like here. So they are kind of cool looking. And they have a liner inside, so that's kind of cool. So just like regular running shorts should be. Um, and you can see it's got the mesh in there. Actually, does it have a liner? Uh, no, no liner inside of this one. So this one here, you don't have a liner, but it's got the pockets and stuff and the other stuff. But let's try it on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am wearing them. You can see, I guess medium is my size. They're pretty comfortable. They got this little zipper pocket here, so that's kind of nice. Looks like it's got one on both sides, so very nice. And you can see the waist here. It's got a string to tie it up, so I don't even need that where I am here. But let's see, then we have another pocket in the back here. Nice little pocket there, so well, that one's pretty deep. That'd fit something good in there. If I could put my whole phone in there or something. And it's got little vent sides on the side here. So these are really comfortable. I kind of want to go for a run or do something now, even though I'm not going today. But this is what they look like. So they seem good. Got a nice stretch to it, and the medium is definitely my size. So that's what it looks like on somebody who needs to lose a few pounds. But there we go. Definitely sweet. I like these. Thumbs up from me. Pick these up. These are the best. These are Northyard and running shorts. This is what the little barcode looks like. But looks like it'd be good for camping, good for anything. They're just super comfortable. They don't ride up my butt or anything either. So very good. So thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks.